Guys, you got to check this out. This is awesome. If you own an XP Deus 2, and you know for a fact that that mount has popped off. I know it did on mine, relic hunting and out in the water. Now you can use a lanyard, but that's still a pain in the butt, especially if you're in the ocean trying to get it back on. I got sick and tired of it, and some of those mounts started breaking. The solution? RC Digs. There's a new mount out that's being made 3D printed, and it fits like a champ. You will never ever have another problem with your mount. I've been using this 6 months and I had to share it with you. It was a game changer for me. RC Digs makes this, and it is awesome, guys. Comes with 2 stainless steel screws to hold the top in. Your RC unit just slides right in. It's easy to do. Check it out. I'm going to show you step by step how to mount your new RC Digs mount. Guys, this is step 1. We're going to walk through each step. Very simple to do. Don't worry about this. Piece of cake. So, first thing you want to do is find that factory mount that comes with your XP Deus 2. Flip that little lever right there so you can slide your shaft back, and you'll be able to take out those 2 screws. I've already taken them out right there. Real easy to do. Just get you a little Phillips screwdriver and they should pop right out. Step number 2, pop off the mount. Now once you get it off, throw it away. You're not going to need it anymore. You're going to install the new mount, but it may not fit. If it doesn't, don't worry whatsoever. Here's what you're going to do. Every RC Digs mount is unique, and it comes off a 3D printer, so it could be off by just a hair, and that is very common, but no worries. Take a little bit of sandpaper, take your time, sand it, and it will slide right in. If you want to speed it up a little bit, use a Dremel tool, but be very, very careful not to take off too much. I would encourage you just to go nice and slow with the sandpaper until you get it just right, and it will slide right in. After you get it in, you're going to put the 2 screws back in, but I went one step further. I got 2 stainless steel screws, just a little bit bigger than what it came with, and 2 small washers to make it extra heavy duty. So check it out. This is how your antenna used to attach right there on the top, but you're not going to need to do this anymore. It's a lot easier this time. Just take the antenna after you've wrapped it around your shaft and push it up through that little tube on the left side of the RC mount. Now you're going to take your cap, and it comes with 2 supplied stainless steel screws, and place that cap on the top and just screw it down. It will hold the antenna in place just fine, and it's not going to come out. You'll tighten those 2 screws there on the top down, and it's so much easier this way to attach versus that clip. I always had a hard time with that clip trying to get it just right, but once you get those 2 stainless steel screws, you can see me right there tugging on it, and it's not going to come out or come loose whatsoever, and it works just fine. Guys, I'm so happy I'll never have to worry about my RC unit falling off again. And neither will you with your new RC Digs mount.